Actually, I feel pity for this person. I feel pity for the Suma Baba. Really, he deserved that, Suma Baba. All people ignoring him. If you see the uh, opposition alliance, he have been threw out from the opposition alliance. Now, respected people from Sipsagar Vidhan Sabha constituency, this time they will throw out this person, Suma Baba. And Suma Baba, he came in my by-election 2021. He have been thrown out from Marini constituency. And this time also, his candidate will be thrown out from Marini constituency. And I think he will never come back to Marini ever. I feel pity for this guy. I feel pity, really. And this time, he will be nowhere. He will vanish.
আৰু এটা কথা কৈছে যে এবাৰ মৰ্ণিং
কথা মই নপঢ়িব পাৰোঁ, ল' বিষয়ে কিমান জানো এইটো প্ৰমাণ যে আজিলৈকে মই জেল যাব লগা হোৱা নাই। এণ্ড দিছ গাই হি হেভ বিন চেণ্টেন্স টু জেল ছেভেৰেল টাইম।